Hey guys, Kyle here from VIP Auto Accessories, and today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite products. This here is the Bad Bronco X-Ray Emblem in matte black. This is a direct factory replacement for the Bronco that goes on the back. Be sure to check it out at shop.vipautoaccessories.com. This comes in matte black or a gloss matte black. So what I really like about this emblem is that it's not like any other emblem on the market. This one's made with a high quality, rigid injection molded plastic, and it's backed with an automotive grade adhesive to withstand the elements. What you're gonna wanna do is tape off guidelines. Before you take your emblem off, you're gonna wanna make a V shape around the bucking Bronco before you remove it. That way you know exactly where to place it. We ended up winging it and just placing this bucking Bronco just snug as a bug up against this rough country wheel mount. All right guys, let's dive into this quick and easy installation. First thing you're gonna wanna do is carefully use a debadging tool and cut away the adhesive behind the factory emblem. What you're gonna do after you get the emblem off, there's gonna be lots of residue left behind. Use a heat gun and just simply heat it up to peel it off. Make sure you don't overdo it with a heat gun or you're gonna damage your factory paint. Once all the adhesive's gone, you're gonna wanna thoroughly clean the surface. Either Goo Gone, Acrysolve is what we used, anything that will remove the adhesive. Now carefully remove the adhesive backing paper on your new emblem and place it in line with your tape references. Press evenly and firmly across the entire emblem to ensure every square centimeter of adhesive is activated on your vehicle's paint. And that's how you install the Bad Bronco X-Ray emblem. Be sure to check it out at shop.vipautoaccessories.com and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.